Hi Amanda, did you already finish the work that boss gave?
Which one? Did you mean the report paperwork?
Yes, that is. Which platform that you use to translate the document?
I am not deciding about it yet. Did you know any platform that is safe for us to use?
Safe? What do you mean by safe to use?
I mean by safe to use is someone will not try to steal the data that we enter to translate.
Risk in translation process. Number 1. Unencrypted information can be intercepted in transmission to the vendor. Number 2. Vendors have the access to the information that is unencrypted and not secure against unauthorized access. Number 3. When the vendors send back the deliverable to the user, this will create a potential risk in transmission. The encryption that are used is SHA-2 encryption and RSA 2048-bit encryption. Hashing is the process of scrubbing raw data until it can no longer be reproduced in its original form. It takes a chunk of data and runs it through a function that manipulates the plain text numerically. This function is known as the hash function, and the output is the hash value/digest. The data that are inserted into the system will be performed by the hash function. Hash function will scramble the data, so nobody can understand it. The 160-bit digest is the text that had been hashed. See the illustration above to see how the SHA algorithm functions. SHA is designed to provide a different hash even if only one character in the message changes. For instance, combining two messages that are similar but distinct, such as heaven and heaven is different. The only difference is of capital and small letter in the spelling. Next is RSA. RSA algorithm is asymmetric cryptography algorithm. Asymmetric really implies that it utilizes both the public and private keys, which are two separate keys. As implied by the name, the private key is kept secret, while the public key is distributed to everyone. The encryption key of a public key cryptosystem is separate from the decryption key, which is kept private. A user of RSA generates and disseminates a public key using two significant prime integers and an auxiliary value. It is a secret what the prime numbers are. Anyone can encrypt messages using the public key, but only someone who is familiar with the prime numbers can decode them.
Now, I know why I need a secure translator system. This is because our data that we enter may be stolen by an unauthorized user. So Amanda, did you know any system that provides such security to our data?
I do know one system that provides such security. It is Pairaphrase. I think we can use it for our report later.
Thank you Amanda for opening my eyes about this. Now I am not worried about the private and confidentiality of our data when using the translator system. I appreciate it.
You are welcome.